Hello guys, for today's video, we're going to teach you on how to tune up the feedback engine of Yamaha FCR. I would like to introduce to you what is the TDC. The TDC is the abbreviation of top dead center, in which the piston revolves on the top of the block. This is the most important part of tuning up your motorcycle. Okay, so here we are on the left pane of our motorcycle. So we need flat screw, so we can remove this. Okay, and this one. Okay, so this hole are going to tip the letter T of the flywheel, so we can determine if the top dead center is correct for this left side of engine or block. Okay, so we're going to rotate and we'll use number, we need this number 17, so we can rotate the magneto here, right? And then before going to rotate it, first of all, we should have to open the tappet cover. Okay, so I will show you on how to. Okay, number 24, open the tappet counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. Okay, so after opening the valve cover or the tappet, we need to remove the spark plug. This is what I told you earlier on the first of our recording, to determine if the letter D of the first compression of our motorcycle is for this left engine. Okay, so we're going to look the letter T for this one. And then after that, to make sure that you are in the correct TDC or top dead center, we should have to remove this spark plug. Okay, so for example, first we're all going to locate this right engine first. Okay, so this makes sense. Okay, so if you feel that your finger, okay, so you put your finger here, if you feel that your finger is sucking in, okay, that is BDC or bottom dead center. Okay, if you feel that your finger is wanted to blow out on this hole, that is top dead center going to the top. Okay, there you go. Can you hear that? Okay, if you feel that that is sucking, you should have to put it back again. There you go. I can hear that this exhaust here is very noisy, and also the intake So we're going to adjust this. Make sure that your adjustment, if you have a feeler gauge, you must have to use it. Okay, in my case, without using feeler gauge. Okay, so it's the same on how to locate the top dead center of this engine and this engine if you cannot see the letter D of our flywheel. Okay, it's very noisy, right? So I'm going to make it silent. Okay, so let's fix this. The intake